Did you know that YouTube can help you grow on all social media platforms? Yes, it can. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter. What else is out there? Snapchat? There are so many platforms out there, and it can help you grow on them simply using YouTube. So let me tell you all about that. Here we go. Hi, I'm Nicole Riley, and I teach bloggers how to become confident bloggers and grow their business. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to never miss a new video. So what is YouTube? YouTube is a social media platform and most and foremost a search engine. Yes. Why? Because it's what it is. When you go to YouTube and you're trying to find a video, what do? You search in the search bar for whatever you're looking for. So for example, you're looking for a crochet pattern, a hat crochet pattern. You type in hat crochet pattern, and then whatever populates is hopefully what you're looking for, right? So YouTube is a search engine, but guess what? YouTube is owned by number one search engine in the world, Google. So there's two search engines together that really work together hand in hand pretty much. So you have Google and YouTube. And guess what Google does when you are looking for something on Google? When you are searching something on Google and it's likely related to a video, what does Google do? It shows you YouTube videos because it owns YouTube. It's going to show you its own platform first, right? So that's why you see very often its own videos, meaning YouTube videos, very, very high up versus other platforms like, let's say, like Vimeo or something like that, that it will probably not show very often, right? So knowing that YouTube is a search engine that is owned by Google, you have a very high chance to be found if you use search engine optimization. If you don't know what that is, you want to check out some of my other videos on my YouTube channel to learn all about search engine optimization, how to find the right keywords for your blog posts, for your YouTube videos, and all the other things on how to grow on social media. But let's talk about why people actually come to YouTube and how it can help you grow on other platforms. Well, people come to YouTube to solve a problem, which is why they search for something, right? They're searching for something and they have a problem. They type it in, they search it, and they hopefully find the solution, your video. Let's hope they find your video. They click on it and they listen to you. And if your video is really good, meaning it has a great title and a great thumbnail that they're actually going to click on it, which is the first impression that they're getting from you after you've done your search engine optimization, right, to actually get ranked for it, and then they listen to you. And if you actually solve their problem, and they feel really compelled. I'm like, wow, I learned so much. And then they start listening to more of your videos, which is what YouTube does. It really is there for the user, not for the YouTuber. It's there for the user to show more videos. YouTube wants you to stay on the platform. So your users need to stay on the platform, right? So if they watch more and more videos from you, then they start really, really loving you, right? The more videos they watch, you're like, oh my gosh, this person's amazing. He or she has so much amazing content, right? And I really, really need more of that. And then they're going to see your links in the description you hopefully point out to. Every video from you should have a call to action. So when there's a call to action, hopefully in the description of your video, and every single one of your videos should be links, multiple of them, including your social media, then you tell them to follow you, right? You literally can tell them, follow me on XYZ. Let's say Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, LinkedIn, Pinterest, wherever you want them to go, your blog, your emails, wherever, tell them, okay? And then there's the link in the description, right? Make sure that they're clear where exactly they are, okay? And then if they go there, they hopefully will follow you. If they watch a lot of your videos, they will follow you. If they become super fans, they're going to follow you on every single one of your platforms because they love you that much. Super fans will literally follow you everywhere and subscribe to every single one of your content. Because when they get hooked, they just want it all. Just think of Harry Potter. Harry Potter is a great example for that because literally a diehard fan will use their last dime to buy whatever product that has to do with Harry Potter. Literally, even if they have just $10 left, they will buy whatever product that just came out that is brand new about Harry Potter. Literally, that's what they're going to do, okay? So if your audience can turn into something like that, you're golden. That's something that's called a super fan. So if you can turn your audience into super fans, you're golden. They will follow you everywhere. So YouTube is the perfect platform to grow your audience into followers and subscribers for the rest of your social media platforms. Because they love you, they will follow you everywhere. So yes, bloggers should have YouTube, and yes, you can grow all other social media platforms using YouTube as a blogger. So make sure you have your call to action clear and concise, and you are providing the content that your audience wants from you. Remember, you as a blogger can gain confidence and turn into a marketer and grow your business the right way. If you love this video, be sure to like, comment, and share. And subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification the next time I publish a new video or go live. I hope to see you next time. Until then, bye.